In this video, we'll talk about the scoreboard in the portal. We can see the scoreboard by going to any company and going to the company page. We'll see in the tabs for that company that we have scoreboard. So we'll go ahead and click this to take a look. So as you can see, it gives us a sort of a metric, some numbers to let us know how far along we are in the documentation process of this particular customer. As you can see, we have different items that it's looking for in this to determine the score. It's providing a count. So for example, copiers and printers, there are 48 copiers and printers at this particular company. And then we have a point value, and then we have a percentage. So in order to understand these best, it's better to look at it in the admin settings. So if we go to admin settings, and then we go to scoreboard, we can take a look at how these work. So let's take a look at this one, user termination guide. So we'll go ahead and edit. Okay, so we see a name, a description, a point value, company type and group, and then the scoreboard filter. This is where it will all start to make sense. First thing it's going to do is look for an object. It's going to look for a particular object type. So accounts, agreements, configurations, contacts, devices, forms, KBs, and IP networks. So which one of these do you want? So in this case, it's a document. How is it filtering by? It's filtering by type. The compare is equals to, and so it's looking for this particular string, user termination guide. So what this means is the portal is looking for a particular type of document. So this goes to, if we look at admin settings, groups and types, I'm going to look at document types, make sure I have one called user termination guide, and I do. So I have that type available, so when I'm adding a new document, this will be an option. Okay. So now that we understand how to create the types and how that relates to scoreboard, we can take a look back at the scoreboard in the admin settings again, and we can see we looked at the document type, but we can look at this one too, and this will give you another idea. So this is an account filtered by type, compare is equals to, and it's looking for web host as the value. So once you go through and customize these to your particular needs, and you can use the order buttons here to change the order if you want them to appear in a different order. And then once you have created that, customized that, as you start to document your companies, these will start to fill up. And so this gives management and admins a good way to determine how far along you are in documenting a particular company. If you have any questions about the scoreboard, feel free to reach out to us at support@siportal.com. Thank you.